Here's what you didn't know about chitlins. So instead of eating it the first night, you know how you make your chitlins in a crock pot? It's best that you cook your chitlins, then put it in the refrigerator. Once it gets room temperature, then put it in your freezer, in your refrigerator. The reason I recommend that is because then you would see what rises to the top. See all of this? This is actually what shows up in your stomach if you're eating this. So the recommendation is to pull all of this stuff off. And what you're left with is something that's less damaging. So you see, all of this will be in your stomach. So you don't want that. So please, if you're going to eat chitlins, remember that, because it's going to be very important that you know this doesn't need to be in your stomach. So make sure you remove that. So the right process again, cook your chitlin like you normally do. Let this fat area stuff rise to the top and then peel it off. And what you'll be left with is good product and less of this. Okay? So you don't want this in your stomach. Just thought I'd keep that in mind. So a lot of this is rendered material, but it's also material that you don't need to process in your stomach. So this is for you to know. If you like this, I'm going to shoot other important factors about science. So subscribe to my page and I'll tell you more unique tactics that you can use when you're cooking red beans and other items to avoid getting stuff like that in your system.